Roll out.
Make it hot. Come on. Let's go.
All right, folks, so get ready to call us at 733-246-126. You'll decide which one of the three contestants in Rollout will take us out. This is after Sim, if she can talk. We'll give her views on their performances. First up is Nelium. Run the track.
No matter how much things them say about you in a life, just know say, go and hold a baby, youth. Go and fight, you know we have to win. No make them tell you nothing, none at all, no. Just go and do your thing. My you just go and do your thing. Yeah, my you just go and do your thing. Cause God nah let you down. My you just go and do your thing. Cause God nah let you go. You know how much things man go through. That help me fi reload it now. My you just go and do your thing. My girl just go and do your thing. Can't take me fi punk. They are from the start plan like the chase stump. Remember days when my gone school without lunch. Only fear for the bus and no long till that come. Mama have it so watch she hustle and the hot sun. Suppose one day she there and near say she drop down. Me a fi up up to me think could do go farm clown. Now give them nothing fi go laugh say and smile round. Me go fi my own, why shouldn't I go? Yeah, them a go live fi see this something right now.
Easy, Nelium. You can't talk? All right, just show me by your hand how much you give him. 3. You give Nelium a 3. All right. 3.5 you give Nelium. All right, here you go. Scorpio is up next.
Good morning, smile Jamaica. Good morning to the world. Never say never, always endeavor. You know? Hey. Wake up, read me Bible. Me nah have no time for idle. All a fresh, brush me teeth, touch the street with a pack of CDs. From your not talk money movement, so no get delete. Some girl when I mean me no good. Me put one side, me want money more than now. The baby need it. You know long me no pay a 5 grand. Even if a minimum wage, me woulda happy for that. Flip that, make daddy open a restaurant. But for the money me nah do no wrong. That's why me sing this. Broke life no fit me, me tell poverty that too small. Better life me want, that's why me go. They go put out me all. All of the fight where you fight through life, daddy it's soon over. Enough time me think them a hold me down with obia. Now start pray to Jehovah. Mommy don't worry, cause the weight soon come off of your shoulder. Father, me know your seat. Water we can't pay your feet. Light we have a thief.
All right. Hello.
I love that track. Like the cadencing, like the flow, but more production, and he was off key. So I'm going to give him a 2.5.
2.5. Final contestant is Andrew Melody.
See, you know it's Andrew Melody for all my ladies. Listen, love. Woman I love, just to walk into your driveway, just to kneel at your bedside, woman I pray. All the time I see you, girl, you makes me wonder, is when you break my poor little heart and I hear they say she have her man already and she wants no more. Girl, you break my heart and you make it sore. She have her man already and she wants no more. Girl, you break my heart and you make it sore.
Why Andrew is a wicked girl that she break your heart, then she make it sore. That girl is wicked.
Tune it bad still. I'm going to get under the 4.
Yeah, Andrew, 4. All right. The numbers are 17. You know me, that leave that girl, Andrew. She break your heart,
already.
then she make it sore.
And she won't no more.
All right, 733-246-126 are the numbers.
You make my stomach sick, you know that.
No, I have to do this one. I missed it this morning. I missed a couple. His name is Brandon Virgin. He was born without a heartbeat, without oxygen, and the doctors claimed that he wouldn't live or he would be a vegetable. Well, this young man is now 15 years old. Everyone work with
God
me.
is good
Yep.
all the time.
His father Garfield loves him so much that your mom and your dad and all of us here
All
have
the
a
time. See?
brilliant
Look at that. Look at
15th.
that on your hand. Ty is writing, God,
God is love.
only God.
Yep, there you go. And happy birthday also to Danica, who works at Intersecondary School Sports Association. I hope you have a brilliant day today and many happy returns. We're going to take a break, and when we come back, I don't know why I feel this is great.
already.
We're going to take you out, but let's
And
see.
she want no more.